Today, I am going to introduce the basic parts of a computer system, and we are going to familiarize the basic parts and its functions. So these are the basic parts of a computer system. First, we have the monitor. A monitor displays information in visual form using text and graphics. Next, we have the keyboard. A keyboard is used mainly for typing text into your computer. Like the keyboard on a typewriter, it has keys for letters and numbers, but it also has special keys. We also have a mouse. A mouse is a small device used to point and to select items into your computer screen. And lastly, we have the system unit. A system unit is the core of a computer system. Usually, it's a rectangular box placed on or underneath your desk. Now let's proceed to the internal parts of the system unit. First, we have the motherboard. The motherboard is the main board of a computer. It holds together many essential components of a computer such as the CPU, RAM, and the input and output connectors. Motherboard essential components. First is the central processing unit or the CPU. It performs the basic arithmetical, logical, and input and output operations of a computer system. Random access memory or RAM. RAM is a volatile memory. All stored information in RAM is lost when there is no power. We also have the network interface card or NIC. The NIC is what provides the hardware interface between a computer and a network. North bridge, pass end of the hub, containing the graphics and memory controller connecting to the system bus. There is also the south bridge, the lower end of the hub, containing the input or output controller hub. This is the complementary metal oxide semiconductor or the CMOS. CMOS is a special memory chip where BIOS configuration are stored. The BIOS or basic input or output system is a special firmware stored in a chip on your computer's motherboard. It is the first program that runs every time you turn on your computer. Hard disk drive or HDD. A hard disk drive is a non-volatile memory hardware device that permanently stores and retrieves data on a computer. This is the power supply unit or the PSU. The PSU or power supply unit provides electrical energy for the entire system. It converts 120 to 220 volts, alternating current to low voltage, direct current power for the internal components of computer. Next is the optical disk drive, CD or DVD drive. The optical disk drive is a medium that reads and writes files to a disk using laser light or electromagnetic waves. The integrated drive electronics or the IDE. IDE is more commonly known as ATA or Advanced Technology Attachment or Parallel ATA. It is a standard interface for IBM compatible hard drives and CD or DVD drives. It is used to connect drives directly into the motherboard. This is the SATA or Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. Serial ATA is capable of delivering 1.5 GB per second or 1,500 MB per second of performance to each drive within a disk array. And lastly, the system PAM.